The security camera captured an unexpected moment when a bus driver pulled up to a stop and saw a young boy getting on the bus alone.
This young man right here, he's trying to go to school.
The bus driver sensed that something wasn't quite right. He waited until all the passengers had boarded, then gently asked the boy a few questions.
You need to be with a parent. How old are you?
10.
The boy didn't know where to get off and eventually fell asleep on the bus. Realizing the child was lost, the driver called the police for assistance.
Good. He's right behind me. Knocked out. Right from this side. Thank you.